Yes, my rib is still broken. This is as good as it gets. That's it. I'll come back to you, but I'm gonna get my pajamas off and my surgical granny bra off.
That's one.
Right, I'm not really sure where we're up to. Back from Vegas Wednesday. Halloween was last night. I think I inserted the pictures, if not now. Shit. I'm just using eyeliner. I saw this on Instagram and the girl was using lipstick. I don't have black lipstick. I have plenty of pot eyeliner. I hate buying new stuff when I've got drawers full of stuff I can use. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm doing Halloween. This is not a normal look. It's my BF's birthday tomorrow. Decade birthday. So I'm just gonna go Soho House Malibu. I have a membership there. Tonight we're gonna do Halloween. And then next week he has shoulder surgery. So we might as well go out now while he can. Because he is not gonna be wanting to go out after that because it's replacement surgery, which is no joke. Partly you gotta pat it out and it sort of fade and it blends in. It looks like a smile. Don't be looking at me for makeup tips. But if you want something convenient and easy, down you go. Is it Mozzarella? Mozzarella water? Probably not. So you just use a makeup remover to kind of put a line down it. Seriously, if I can do this, anyone can. Now let's do these teeth. I think this one needs to be the toothpick. She uses toothpicks as well. That's better. See? That's how you do it. I'm sure it's going to come together. If not, it's just a giggle, isn't it? I'm not too serious. It's pretty nuts over here for Halloween, obviously. LA. I remember Halloween on ET when I was a kid. I'm in the land of Halloween. I think Up's supposed to be like, see the way it's dragged like that? I think Up needs to be, that's it, like that. I'm just going one way, see? The idea is down, down, and then up on the second one. Oh, my teeth are getting a bit wonky over here. I look like a skeleton that needs an orthodontist. I'm gonna spray some setting spray. The elf is supposed to really last, and I need something. You know those fake eyelashes that you buy and you realise they're just too big? They're great for one night a year, Halloween. I don't need, ow. Yes, my rib is still broken. Usually, Halloween, I wear the Scorpion King outfit up there. But because I got the corset on, I can't do that this year. Quick update, I'm late. Came back from Vegas yesterday, unpacked my bag, and then didn't know where I put the costume. It took me 40 minutes to find it, and I hung it up behind a coat. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, found it. This is the outfit. I'm gonna have to do some pictures on my phone because I am so late. The traffic is nuts at Halloween, so I gotta run out of here, and this is as good as it gets. That's it. I'm going like this. Okay, photos to come. Today is my BF's birthday, and it's a big one. It's a decade birthday. Big celebration. I'm a member of Soho House down in Malibu. We have a big table down there. Got some friends coming over, lots of drinks. We'll just chill, Malibu Beach House. It should be fun. Not really sure what to wear. I'm going to film myself choosing an outfit that goes with a bloody corset. Once again, let's start with, I really need to adjust the corset tighter because I am dying to do that, but I've been waiting for you. Dr. Erickson, not Dr. Erickson, but his staff sent me the corset. Finally, it took 2 weeks. So if you're doing the procedure with them and you think you need the corset, get it early because it takes a while. This is the small. I have on the medium. The medium I'm at the end, unless I want to kind of like go over the elastic, but then it's going to be flapping out. And who needs the excess of material when you're already wearing a binder under your clothes? You don't need to be having flaps around everywhere because it's going to be harder to wear clothes. So yes, let's get to the small. I'm definitely overdue. I feel like I can go a lot stronger, a lot tighter, but obviously had 6 cracked ribs from the remodeling. But then one actually fractured from me sneezing in Vegas. It fractured. It's been hell for a week. Sneezing and fracturing one rib was more painful than just cracking 6 ribs. It's been really, really tough. Sleeping again is tough. Walking around Vegas, getting in and out of Ubers, just going down on different levels, it's really tough. Twisting is a no-go. The fracture set me back somewhat. Probably would have come in, so I came back on Wednesday. I could have came in Tuesday or Wednesday, but today is Friday and I just had to let it mend. Even though you want the cracked ribs to mold your body, you don't really want one broken rib. It is excruciating. But now, I think it's about a week later, it's actually doable. I feel like the fracture is bonding a little bit. I don't really know how to do this because the doctor obviously set a starting point and then we had to go in 1 centimeter each, but now I'm starting to get a new corset. So where do I start? Where it feels like my eyes are going to pop out or I'm going to lose a kidney from my mouth? I don't know. Another thing I keep forgetting to tell you guys, when you let yourself off the corset, you're okay, and then the last one, when you have no binder on your bones, it makes you wince. You have to brace yourself a little bit. I'm gonna, this is okay. This is okay. We got the next one. gets a bit fragile. Okay, this one. When you get to this one, and you're free. The more time you spend in the corset, this gets more painful to let yourself out. Yeah. Okay. Alright, this is the small. Dr. Erickson actually tried the small on me at post-op, and he wanted to go for the medium. It was too much pressure. On week 5, so I'm pressed quite a bit since post-op. Got the logo, make sure she's that way. Ow. So just even like doing things like that. It is what. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, this is new. I don't know, can I do this? Yeah, I can do this. Why don't we just go really tight and then undo it if it's too tight? I've gone all the way in. If I do that, then I've got nowhere to go. Like straight away, I need an extra small. What the hell? Okay. Interesting. So the small and medium doesn't really have much difference, I don't think. We're in trouble because I'm supposed to be compressing more. If I want to get down like 3-4 inches, I need an army. Back up. And let's just put it to the smallest right now. See what happens. You know, hopefully, in one way, I hope that it's full in 5 minutes and I have to loosen it. If I don't, then where do I go next week? Oh, look at that, look. I have to get that on my lower abs. Oh, see, this is where you can't really strain yourself to, it's like your muscles. You can't work out because your ribs are crap. When you do things like this, it affects your ribs. It affects your rib cage. All right, let's pull one over. Okay. I'm going to leave that loose. As I said, we don't need to like compress the hips. And, you know, what's the point? They're not broken. It's just the ribs. That can be like that. All right, now we'll see. See, look. The good thing about this design is there's Velcro here. So you can go one side first. Ow, I hit my rib cage pulling that over. Okay, get my hair out of it. Oh yeah, I have full makeup on for the dinner at Soho in an hour. That feels like, actually feels tight here. Not. All right, I'm gonna go in a bit more on the top. The bottom, not so much. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, that's the side that was fractured. Okay. Well, it was supposed to be more the top, but it just went even. This feels secure, it feels tight, it feels really tight here, which is useless. Waste of time. Let's just leave this on for like half an hour, an hour. If I have to loosen it, I will. If I have to tighten it, I will. And then I'll mark it. I don't want to mark it now and not live in it for a bit.
Mongal. My peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is my cure to heal is my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin. Attack like a...
People have asked me how much clothes do I have. Yes, I have a lot of clothes, but probably some of them are like 20 years old. I like something. I do a lot of alterations. I have a sewing machine. I also have a tailor. I make things different usually. I also sell on eBay. The side of the rack, if it's on this side, it's stuff that I've got to sort through eBay. For example, this Coach jacket I just got dry cleaned. Putting that on eBay because I got it, but it was an extra small. I thought I could just try it. Yeah, it's too small. My shoulders are like linebackers. I can't wear this, but that'll be coming on eBay this week. Someone asked about this coat. That was on my week 4 vlog. It's from Net-a-Porter. Brand new, still with tags. It was 4,000 on Net-a-Porter and it got sold out. So that's the brand. I looked it up on their site. Their coats start from 2,000 to like 10,000. It's a 2XL. I mean, I can still wear this. Anyone from a large to a 2XL should invest in this. I mean, I'd love to keep it, but then I also love to make a deal. You know, it's the Chinese in me. So anytime you see my videos and you see clothes here, there's anything that catches your eye, ask me about it. Usually it's for sale on my eBay. Yep. Ow. Okay, this corset's tight. It's starting to really hurt my ribs, which is maybe what I need. It's not been hurting like this for a while. And you know, you have to think about it that every time your ribs are hurting, it means they're getting crushed, which means you're coming in tighter. But then this is why I broke my rib. Ooh, I might have it. I just bought this in Vegas at the outlets. This is All Saints, and it's a rock and roll Ubi Japanese warrior belt. This could be the one. I'm wearing this, very rock and roll. That's what I'll wear tonight. All right, this is the look. Can you see from there? It's got a bit darker. How's that? Can you see? Deciding to go for this. The only thing is, with the corset, it just makes my bottom stomach pooch out. This will do. Got my jade. My mother gave me that last time I was in Tenerife. For the bag, I'm going to use my Batman, the all black Chanel. I need to get this service. I need to get this buffed up. I was living in the Philippines and I went over to Hong Kong for a day. Saw this in the shop. Went back to the Philippines. This is when I was living in Singapore. I had a stint in the Philippines. And I went back to Manila and then I flew back to Hong Kong, got a hotel, bought the handbag and then came home. So the bag cost much more than what it needed to. And that was in 2013. I want to get the service. I might sell this because I don't use it a lot. If I do, I'll let you know. Kind of goes. Or do I wear the new... Oh, I'll ask the BF. Alright guys, I'll probably post some pictures, but that's me for this Friday. And I'll check in over the weekend with more updates. But I gotta go. Week 6, I've had a few questions build up in the comment section. I've answered most of them in the series going along. I think it was on week 4 and it was from Astrocom, and she wrote, I need my glasses. Morales, plastic surgeon in Houston, is discussing what he calls rib remodeling surgery, corset contour. He shows the corset he prefers, which looks to have air holes and different features that make it more comfortable on your hips and less burning feeling overall. I wonder if his office provides them. So straight away, I looked up, saw the corset that they use, found it, I ordered it, and I have it. Let's try it on. I have no idea if it fits because I've been waiting to vlog this for you guys. I got this on Amazon, and so I'll link it down below if you guys want to try it out too. I got the smaller size, which was small. I'm hoping this fits. Again, I'm in my good old Surgery granny bra, protective material for the corset. Don't worry, when I did my explants a few years ago, I got a couple of these. I'm not wearing the same granny bra, the whole series. I'm not really sure if this is going to work. There's no bottom or top. Just looks kind of square. This is too big. I mean, I would love a solution for sleep, because I'll be honest, when I sleep, I do loosen the corset a little bit. I go to sleep with it fully tight, but I always wake up in pain and just rip it open a few inches in my sleep because it does wake you up. This might be going back to Amazon because I don't think this is going to be tight enough for me. This looks like the corset that they use. I can't control to come in tighter in the middle, to be looser on the top. Remember, I started at 27.5 and now I'm down to, well, I was 25 and I'm even more now, but I'm going to leave that for next week's video. I can't see that smashing my ribs together and making it mold it tighter. It's too comfortable. I'm kind of used to just being in pain, and if it's not in pain, I don't think it's working. This is, look, yeah, it's not going to mold me. But next week, I do have the bombshell corsets that I've been wearing, the old-fashioned corsets with the rods in and the string. They're really strong. Bombshell have kindly given me a code for you guys so you can order yours. But when you want to go out, you can put those corsets on and they look much better under clothes. They're really, really flattering, which definitely holds you in. This, unfortunately, is going to go back to Amazon for me, as a 25 or less inch waist is too big. But if you're bigger than a 25, and you maybe want to try it, put the link below anyway. It's free returns. But the most requested question was, of course, how much the cost. I went to Houston to see Dr. Cameron Erickson. They said it could be between $5,500 and $7,000. They charged me $5,500 on the day. You also have to include the surgery fees and the anesthesiologist fees, and that came to about $3,000 because remember, I was doing scar lift revision with the rib remodeling. So altogether was around $8,000-9,000. But just the rib remodeling on the bill, it's $5,500.